What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're building this house. Alright, let's do this. So apparently we have some. Okay guys, I'm gonna need some white, some quartz straight away. We kick right in, and we need a quartz block here. We're gonna need to destroy this block and put another quartz block here. And now guys, we have these windows. Luckily I have some panes. Oh, okay guys, this is crazy. We also have some right here. And now guys, just like that, it's done. Alright, now we need to put some of these here guys, because as you can see, it isn't that good. Okay, yeah guys, and by the way, I just need for you to do something quickly. You need to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those notifications so you know when I'm posting, guys. Oh, let's not do that. In fact, let's make some changes around here, guys. Alright, let's delete that, of course, and that, and that, and that, and that. Okay, this. Right, we can put some of that. Sorry, some of that there, and then we need to delete that. And now, I'm not sure. We could have in fact, let's just go ahead and delete that. Alright. Now we can put like some kind of bed in here, guys. Alright. Take off that helmet. That looks stupid. Anyway, let's get a bed. Let's get a light blue bed, and let's just plank that right here, guys. It's not working. Okay, that worked. Right, so now let's get some coverings here. Dogs. Okay, dogs. Come here, dogs. Alright, nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna plant a bunch of stuff there, guys. Okay, now we work that out. Ooh, this too. We need to correct these. I'm gonna put some quartz there. Then I think this worked out. Ooh, maybe we can like destroy this stuff. That would be cooler looking. Alright, there we go, guys. Oh yes, we also need the green things, guys. Alright, dogs, can you get out of there? Oh my god, I have no idea what. Alright, come on. Alright guys, I just need to go back a bit. They're not gonna do it. Alright, sorry. Really sorry. I just needed to do that. Okay, we have some orange things we need to correct here too. Oops, we don't need that. Everything's fine. You know, I'm gonna make some adjustments. What I needed mostly to do, except from the outside, and the inside looks way better now, even though I didn't do much. Anyway, right here we're gonna do a job. We're gonna do a very important job. We have to correct all of this. So I'm actually gonna just. But since I'm in that, I can fly and do this, which is much quicker, of course. Right, right, guys. Remember, guys, subscribe to my channel, as you know, and yeah, turn those notifications. By the way, a lot of people who watch my videos don't subscribe, but I want to change that, guys, because I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and know why it's good to watch my channel. And basically, for now, guys, on this channel, guys, I have some news. I'm only gonna do gaming. There's a channel, like in the channel page, yeah, that More DT has changed to Daniel Tube. Sorry, Daniel Football, which in that channel I do football videos. Anyway, let's put some glass pane over here, guys, and let's put some glass pane over here, guys, because you know, guys, what I mean. Alright, guys, let's do this. Right, so I'm just gonna put some bunch of glass panes there, guys. I just want to say sorry, guys, because last time I didn't record for like 5 days. Yeah, guys, that was pretty sad, but for now I'm still going to record. And alright, that's really good, guys. Alright, oh my god, I just destroyed it. Right, we're gonna put that there. Wait, what was that, guys? Tell me in the comments what was that? Because I just think a wader ran into my area. Alright, alright, yeah. So let's keep going. Right, guys, we're just there. Only this to go. Right, guys, this isn't gonna be one of my like videos where it gets long, because I'm just like, now I have a bunch of friends who I talk to on the tablet that I film on here. I'm just like, sorry, I think it died. No, luckily. Anyway, there's one more thing we need to do, guys, before I turn off the camera, and that is, come on, instead of flower mode, this. So there's a bunch of stuff here. I need to correct it real quick. Yeah, and that's basically the end of the video. Right, so thank you so much for watching, guys.